Good morning, everyone. My name is Astha Pandey. I am a student of class 8th B, and today I am here to describe my presentation for Social Science Week. The topic for this presentation is the freedom fighters of Punjab. So, as we all know, there was a huge freedom struggle in India which ended in 1947 August 15th when we got our freedom. But getting freedom wasn't easy. Many fighters had to struggle and contribute in making India free. These strugglers are called freedom fighters. And today I am here to tell you about some of the major freedom fighters of the state of Punjab. Beginning with Shahid Bhagat Singh Sandhu. Shahid Bhagat Singh Sandhu was a famous freedom fighter. He is also considered as one of the most famous revolutionaries of the Indian independence movement. For this reason, he is often referred to as Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh. The word Shahid means martyr. He is also believed by many to be one of the earliest Marxist thinkers in India. He was one of the founders of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association, also known as HSRA, followed by Giani Pritam Singh Dhillo. Giani Pritam Singh Dhillo was an Indian freedom fighter and a Sikh missionary who, as a member of the Ghadar party, was instrumental in planning of the failed 1915 Ghadar conspiracy in the British Indian Army. Giani Pritam Singh Dhillo was a close friend of Gurbaksh Singh Dhillo, famous Sikh Indian independence movement leader and a prominent member of the Indian National Army. He was also close associate of Netaji. Pritam Singh is also remembered for reviving the same idea during the World War II by seeking Japanese support in the establishment of what came to be the Indian National Army. Pritam Singh died in a plane crash in 1942. The next fighter we have is Pratap Singh Kairon. Pratap Singh Kairon was the Chief Minister of the Punjab, then comprising of the modern Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, and is widely acknowledged as the architect of post-independence Punjab. Moreover, he was an Indian independence movement leader. He was jailed twice by the British, once for 5 years for organizing protests against British rule. His political influence and views are still considered to dominate Punjabi politics. Sometimes he is called the father of modern Punjab politics. And for the last, Sardar Ajit Singh. Sardar Ajit Singh Sandhu, 28 February 1881 till 15th August 1947, was born at village Khatkar, Kalan district Jalandhar in a military family from Punjab in India. He was the man in Punjab who resented the high-handedness of the British rule and openly criticized the British government. He was declared a political rebel and had to spend many years of his life in jail or in exile from India. Sardar Ajit Singh was the uncle of Shahid-e-Azam Sardar Bhagat Singh. He was born at Khatkar Kalan village in Nawanshahar district. He studied at DAV College Lahore and later on Law College Bareilly. He plunged into the freedom movement and left his law students. In 1907, he was deported to Mandalay jail in Burma along with Lala Lajpat Rai. After his release, he escaped to Iran. From there, he traveled to Rome, Geneva, Paris, and Rio de Janeiro. In 1918, he came in close contact with the Ghadar Party in San Francisco. In 1939, he returned to Europe and later on helped Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose in his mission in Italy. In 1946, he came back to India at the invitation of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. After spending some time in Delhi, he went to Dalhousie. He breathed his last on August 15, 1947, after India got its independence. His last words were, "Thank God, my mission is fulfilled." A samadhi in his memory is at Panchpula, a popular and scenic picnic spot in Dalhousie. I really hope you all got to learn something from my presentation and it was helpful. Thank you everyone and have a good day. Presentation by Astha Pandey.